Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you are new and you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be giving you guys more updates on USD pairs. So, in the Telegram channel, you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, let's see what we will be expecting this week on AUD USD. So, if you have been following this channel consistently, I told you guys that we will be expecting a drop is sell to this support level, right? I told you guys that we would tap this support level. Then when we tap this support level, which I told you guys about, I also told you guys that we are going to break below it and drop, and it is exactly what AUD USD did. Not only did it drop to tap this support level, it even broke above it. That was our prediction. But right now we are on the upward movement on AUD USD. So basically we are likely to come to tap this level of 0.67100. So a level of 0.67100, even possibly break above it. That is what we will be expecting this week on AUD USD, because USD, or as we can say, dollar index is now selling. So basically correlation pair like AUD USD, GBP USD, Euro USD may be going upward because USD is selling. So we can see something like this on the forward time frame. This was our higher low here, higher high, higher low. So this is higher high. So you can be patient enough, especially if you're a swing trader. Wait for your higher low. Once the higher low plays out, then a new higher high. So above all, we are heading to the upside. So your buyers on AUD should be buy. Your buyers should be to the upside. So more updates will be shared or be given to you guys in the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.